Hello everyone, we are Team 8. Our title is What is your stress type? 4 stress types of Covid-19 in terms of personality and relieving stress. First, I'll talk about introduction. Next, Sakiko Hatazoe talk about questionnaire. Third, Ayumi Noda talk about body. Finally, Sakura Yokoyama talk about conclusion. At first, I will talk about what is stress. Stress is stressor and stress reaction. Stressor is the cause of stress, such as environment and events. Stress reaction is physical and emotional upset by stressor. It is necessary to analyze stress. In other words, find stressor in order to eliminate stress reaction. Second, I will talk about stress by staying home long time. Now, we are forced to stay home because of the coronavirus. Recently, words such as corona depression and corona fatigue were created. According to Yomiuri newspaper, SNS posts about corona and negative emotions are increasing rapidly from February. In addition, there are 1,739 consultations about coronavirus sent to mental health welfare centers nationwide from February to March. It is said that staying home for a long time is stressful because it is hard to care for children all day, nursing facility not available, and cannot go outside to play. So, we thought that to analyze stress by staying home long time, help you find a stress relief that suits you. In this poster, our goal is to make diagnostic tests to divide stress type.
Thank you, Ayumi. In this section, I'll talk about the questionnaire. We took the questionnaire from May 22nd to June 3rd using the Google questionnaire form. One of the purposes is to examine the degree of increased stress by refraining from going out in terms of their personality, indoor or outdoor. And the other is to reference what stress reduction methods are being used. Next, this survey targets college students and workers who decreased the frequency of going out, and valid answers are obtained from 104 people. Now, let's look at the result. The information about the respondents is shown this. Almost all the responses are from college students, and female accounts about 70%. Next up is about increased stress after refraining from going out. As you can see from figure 2, about 76% of indoor people and 93% of outdoor people feel increased stress. Finally, I'd like to talk about stress reduction methods. In this question, respondents could describe their answers freely. However, as shown in figure 3, we could categorize them roughly. Play games and watch TV, movies, YouTube, and read books are popular among the indoor people. But outdoor people's stress reduction methods are spread equally. Well, here is a discussion. We suspected that stress reduction methods could also be categorized as indoor and outdoor, like green and yellow markers at figure 3. Green marker means indoor and yellow marker means outdoor. Then, We use this hypothesis as the basis for our diagnostic test. Ayumi will tell us more about it in the next section.
Thank you, Sakiko. Hello, I'm Ayumi Noda. I'm in charge of our hypothesis and features of 4 stress types and COVID-19 stress diagnostic test. From these results of our questionnaire, our personality can be divided into 2 types, indoor and outdoor. Also, there are 2 types of relieving stress method. People who reduce stress at their home, indoor type, and people who reduce stress outside, outdoor type. Therefore, there are 4 stress types of COVID-19 from viewpoint of personality and relieving stress method. Next, I introduce the features of these 4 stress types to you. First, indoor type. Indoor type are people who like staying home and they don't go out unless necessities for life are running out. To reduce COVID-19 stress, they play games and draw pictures at home. Second, indoor-outdoor type. Indoor-outdoor type are people who feel mental pain when they are forced to go out and they seldom go out. To relieve stress, they take a walk with pet and jog outside. Third, outdoor-indoor type. Outdoor-indoor type are people like to go shopping and take a trip with friends. To reduce stress, they do exercise and make sweets at home. Finally, I explain the outdoor type. Outdoor type are people who like to play sports with friends and feel COVID-19 stress because they can't go out. To reduce stress, they play sports outside. Based on these 4 stress types, we make 2 diagnostic tests, stress test and personality test. We discussed the items of each test and used the paper. Please look at this. These are 2 diagnostic tests, personality test and stress test. There are 9 questions in each test and 2 choices, yes or no, on each question. After answering these tests, you sum the score. By using the total score, you can know your stress type. For example, the personality score is 3 and the stress score is 7. In this case, indoor-outdoor type. Therefore, thanks to these tests, you can understand your stress type quickly. Next, Sakura speaks a conclusion and a future issue.
I'm Sakura Yokoyama and I'm in charge of conclusion. In this project, a way of diagnosing stress type was suggested. Now, many people have frustration due to stay home caused by COVID-19, and it is important to manage stress in this situation. The stress type could be classified into 4 types based on their personality and their stress relief method. This stress type diagnosis system is grounded in the 4 types, and you can find your stress type, and the test can suggest perfect stress relief for you. As the above points, this project is useful in this situation. However, this test is now developing and there are some problems to solve. We share 3 problems as a future issue on our poster. First, Some people don't apply to the four types. In our questionnaire, some people answered they have both characters of indoor and outdoor, so we need to analyze the people and we have to find a way to apply them. Second, this test is not good at diagnosing your type in one time. To diagnose your stress type with our test, you need to take two types of tests. One is to diagnose your personality, and another is to diagnose your stress relief method. Our goal is to create an easy test to know stress type, so it is required item that can diagnose both personality and stress relief. Third, there are many characters which can apply to both indoor and outdoor. For example, video games or SNS seems to apply indoor people's stress relief method. However, now it is used and enjoyed by many people, even people who like to play outdoor. This means outdoor type people may be able to release their stress by playing video games or using SNS. Other characters may have this problem, so we need to keep consider question items of our test. We are now in a hard situation because of COVID-19. But we have the power to get over this difficulty. We hope this test will be a help to you. Thank you for listening.